Hello everyone and welcome to my studio. If you are new to my channel, I am Uri. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make these cute eggs with your kids and grandkids. It's gonna be these Easter eggs that tell the story of Easter. And to make it easy for you, I created this PDF form with the images so you can download for free. The link to download the images with instructions and the guide, it's going to be in the description box. I am going to share with you two different ways you can create this craft. I got this kit at Walmart a year ago when I created this video tutorial for the first time. But nevertheless, I was able to find a couple of options with good prices. I'm going to put the links in the description box for you to check them. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you another way that you might find easier to make this craft with smaller kids. I'm just following the instructions and I'm using gloves just because I didn't want to put any color on my nails, but the ink comes off very easily on your skin. After coloring all the eggs, I am going to add all the images in the outside. I already printed my PDF on sticker paper and now I'm going to cut all the images to paste them on the outside. You can have your kids or grandkids cut this and exercise their motor skills with the small scissors. After all the eggs are dry, peel the stickers one by one and put them on the eggs. The printable that I put in the description box have all the numbers on the images, so it'll be easier for you to label them in numerical order. This one is the last one, showing that the tomb is empty. Jesus is risen. And this is the other way you can create this craft, by printing all the images in cardstock, cutting them and put them inside the eggs. This is easier for smaller kids. And for this one, I suggest you to number all the eggs from 1 to 12 with a Sharpie. And remember, you can download these images and the instruction on how to tell the story. The link is in the description box. Happy Resurrection Day. Until next time, goodbye.